E-commerce has revolutionized the way we shop and do business, and dropshipping and affiliate marketing are two popular models that have emerged in the digital age. These models offer entrepreneurs a low-cost and low-risk way to start an online business. But which one is better? In this video we will explore the advantages and disadvantages of both dropshipping and affiliate marketing, and provided practical examples and data information to help you make an informed decision. Welcome to Double Z, the channel where we explore the world of e-commerce and entrepreneurship. In this script, we'll be delving into the popular e-commerce models of dropshipping and affiliate marketing, and comparing the advantages and disadvantages of each. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, Double Z is your go-to source for practical tips, insights, and inspiration to help you succeed in the e-commerce space. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of dropshipping and affiliate marketing. In today's digital age, e-commerce has become an essential part of the business world. With the rise of online shopping, there has been a surge in the number of entrepreneurs who are trying to make a name for themselves in the world of e-commerce. Dropshipping and affiliate marketing are two of the most popular e-commerce models. Part 1. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment model where a store does not keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. As a result, the merchant never sees or handles the product. A successful dropshipping business is the website Oberlo. Oberlo is a dropshipping platform that allows entrepreneurs to find products to sell online. They offer a range of products, including clothing, electronics, and home goods. According to the Oberlo website, they have over 100 million products sold, over 50,000 active stores, and over 2,500 verified suppliers. The platform offers a variety of features such as automated order fulfillment, product customization, and bulk orders. One of the advantages of dropshipping is the low startup cost, and Oberlo offers a free plan for entrepreneurs who are just starting out. However, they also offer paid plans with additional features and benefits. Another successful dropshipping business is the website Wish. Wish is an online marketplace that connects consumers with merchants who offer a variety of products, including fashion, electronics, and home goods. According to SimilarWeb, Wish receives an estimated 54.7 million visits per month. The website earns revenue through commissions on sales made through their platform. One of the advantages of dropshipping for a marketplace like Wish is the ability to offer a wide range of products without having to manage inventory or shipping. This makes it easier for merchants to sell their products and for consumers to find what they are looking for. Advantages of dropshipping. No inventory management. With dropshipping, there is no need to worry about managing inventory. This means that you do not have to worry about the cost of storing products, keeping track of stock levels, or managing warehouse operations. This makes dropshipping a very convenient model for new entrepreneurs. Low overhead costs. Dropshipping eliminates the need for many of the overhead costs associated with running a traditional retail business. For example, there is no need to rent a physical store or hire a team of employees to manage the store. This makes it easier for entrepreneurs to operate their business from home. Disadvantages of dropshipping. High competition. Dropshipping is a popular model, and there is a lot of competition in the market. This means that it can be challenging to stand out from the crowd and build a loyal customer base. Limited control. Since you are not handling the products yourself, you have limited control over the quality of the product, the packaging, and the shipping process. This can result in unhappy customers and damage to your reputation. Low margins. Dropshipping can have lower profit margins compared to other e-commerce models. Since you are not buying products in bulk, the cost of the product is higher, resulting in lower profit margins. Part 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing model where affiliates promote a product or service, and in return, receive a commission for every sale made through the unique affiliate link. A successful affiliate marketing business is the website Wirecutter. Wirecutter is a website that provides reviews and recommendations for various products, such as electronics, home appliances, and outdoor gear. According to SimilarWeb, a website that provides web traffic data and analytics, Wirecutter receives an estimated 17.8 million visits per month. The website earns revenue through affiliate marketing by promoting products on their website and earning a commission for each sale made through their affiliate links. Wirecutter has built a strong reputation as a reliable source for product recommendations, and they have a team of experts who test and review products to provide accurate and honest recommendations to their audience. According to a report by Statista, global e-commerce sales are projected to reach $4.9 trillion by 2021. This shows the tremendous potential for entrepreneurs who want to start an e-commerce business. Furthermore, according to a survey conducted by Shopify, a leading e-commerce platform, 23% of respondents chose dropshipping as their preferred method of online business, while 65% chose affiliate marketing as their preferred method. Another report by Statista shows that the affiliate marketing industry is expected to reach $8.2 billion by 2022, indicating the growing popularity and potential for affiliate marketing. Another successful affiliate marketing business in the fashion industry is the website List. List is a fashion e-commerce platform that allows users to browse and purchase products from a variety of fashion retailers. According to SimilarWeb, List receives an estimated 22.4 million visits per month. The website earns revenue through affiliate marketing by promoting products on their website and earning a commission for each sale made through their affiliate links. List has built a strong reputation as a go-to source for fashion enthusiasts and has partnered with a variety of high-end fashion retailers such as Gucci, Prada, and Louis Vuitton. According to a report by eMarketer, e-commerce sales in the United States are expected to reach $794.50 billion by 2022, indicating continued growth in the industry. Furthermore, according to a report by Awin, a global affiliate marketing network, the average commission rate for affiliates is 20%, with the highest commission rates in the finance, travel, and luxury goods industries. Another report by Shopify shows that the average profit margin for dropshipping is 20%, with some stores earning profit margins as high as 50%. Advantages of affiliate marketing. Low startup cost. Affiliate marketing requires a low startup cost since there is no need to invest in inventory or warehouse space. All you need is a website or social media account to promote the products or services. No inventory management. Since you are not responsible for inventory management, there is no need to worry about storage or stock levels. High profit margins. Since you receive a commission for every sale made through your affiliate link, the profit margins can be high. Disadvantages of affiliate marketing. No control over the product. As an affiliate marketer, you have no control over the quality of the product, the packaging, or the shipping process. If the customer is not happy with the product, they may blame the affiliate marketer, which can damage their reputation. Reliance on the merchant. Affiliate marketers are reliant on the merchant for their income. If the merchant goes out of business, stops offering the product or service, or changes the commission structure, it can impact the affiliate marketer's income. High competition. Affiliate marketing is a popular model, and there is a lot of competition in the market. It can be challenging to stand out from the crowd and build a loyal audience. Additionally, some merchants may have exclusive agreements with other affiliates or may limit the number of affiliates they work with, making it harder for new affiliates to join the program. Part 3. Which is better? Both dropshipping and affiliate marketing have their pros and cons, and ultimately, the choice between the two depends on your business goals, preferences, and skills. If you are looking for a low-cost, low-risk business model that requires minimal investment and is easy to start, dropshipping may be the better option for you. However, you will need to be prepared to deal with high competition, low margins, and limited control over the product. On the other hand, if you have a website or social media following and are interested in promoting products or services that align with your niche, affiliate marketing may be a better fit. You can earn high commissions without having to worry about inventory management or shipping. However, you will need to work hard to build a loyal audience and may face challenges such as limited control over the product and reliance on the merchant. Ultimately, the key to success in either dropshipping or affiliate marketing is to choose a niche that you are passionate about, build a strong brand, and provide value to your customers or audience. By doing so, you can create a successful e-commerce business that meets your goals and expectations. There are many practical examples and data information that demonstrate the potential for success in both dropshipping and affiliate marketing. Marketplaces like Wish and fashion e-commerce platforms like List show how these models can be successful in different industries. Furthermore, data information shows the continued growth in the e-commerce industry and the potential for high commission rates and profit margins in both dropshipping and affiliate marketing. Ultimately, the choice between the two models depends on various factors and should be based on the goals and preferences of the entrepreneur. Dropshipping and affiliate marketing are two e-commerce models that have their own unique advantages and disadvantages. Both models have the potential for success, and the choice between the two depends on various factors such as your goals, preferences, and skills. you can make an informed decision and choose the model that best fits your needs. Whether you choose dropshipping or affiliate marketing, the key to success is to build a strong brand, provide value to your customers or audience, and stay up to date with the latest e-commerce trends and best practices. Thank you for watching this video on Double Z, the channel where we explore the world of e-commerce and entrepreneurship. We hope this comparison of dropshipping versus affiliate marketing has provided you with valuable insights and information to help you make the best decision for your online business. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Double Z for more practical tips, insights, and inspiration on e-commerce and entrepreneurship. We'll see you in the next video.